I have built a POS system for a car sale application. It is a single page application. Initially, there is a home page. If the user already has an account, they can log in. If not, they need to go to the sign up page and create an account. On the sign up page, first the user must enter the first name and last name. Then they need to enter a strong and confirm it in the confirm field. The system only allows sign up if all required fields are properly filled. Once the account is created, clicking OK will navigate the user to the login page. On the login page, the username is the first name they used during sign up, and the password is on they entered. If the password is incorrect, an error message appears. If the credentials are correct, the system loads to the customer page. After logging, the navigation bar no longer shows the login and sign up tabs. Displays tabs for home, customer, item and order. On the customer page, the customer ID is auto-generated and can't be edited. Once the user fills in the customer data and clicks save, the data is added to a table below. Clicking row in the table will load the corresponding data back into the input field. At the point, the save button is replaced with an update button. The user can either update or delete the selected customer. After completing the customer section, the user can click the item tab to go to the item page, which function to the customer page. Once items are added, the user can go to the order page. On the order page, the order ID and date are auto-generated and cannot be edited. The user can select a customer ID which automatically fills in the corresponding customer detail. In the middle section, the user can select items. If the order quantity exceeds the quantity on hand and out of stock, error message is shown. After filling the items details and clicking Add items, the data is loaded into a table. The table rows are not clickable. The system calculates and displays the total. The user can choose a payment method, apply a discount, and click purchase. The discount is subtracted from the total and the balance is calculated. That is the functionality of the systems. Regarding the technical sides, the system is built using the MVC architecture. There is no database. Data is stored temporarily in arrays, so it is not saved permanently. If the page is refreshed, all data is lost. We can implement local storage to persist data locally. Currently, the system uses HTML and CSS document, and the controller handles all business logic. And this is the model.